Students, good morning to everybody. Welcome to the chemistry sessions. Here we are starting this in continuation of our parts. This is a polymer chemistry. In some of the second points, this is the condensation, polymerization, polymerization. So here there is a mainly two parts. This classification of this based on the structure, based on sources, based on this is the properties, elastic in nature, elastomer, fiber, thermosetting, thermoplastic. Again, based on polymerization, there is one of the parts based on the polymerization here. So this is the second parts of this based on polymerization, condensation, polymerization. Here the first part we have been learn, this is nothing but addition polymerization reactions. So this is addition polymerization में हमने देखा कि इथीन से पॉलीथीन फॉर्मेशन किया, विनिल क्लोराइड से पॉलीविनिल क्लोराइड, विनिल साइनाइड से ऑर्लान फॉर्मेशन किया, टेफ्लॉन फॉर्मेशन किया. So these are the reactions for the preparations of what addition types of the polymerization. Here we have been discussed the condensation polymerization. तो इसमें हमने नाइलॉन प्रिपरेशन किया, नाइलॉन 6,6 एडिपिक एसिड एंड हेक्सामेथिलीन डायमाइंस, द रिएक्शंस ऑफ एडिपिक एसिड एंड हेक्सामेथिलीन डायमाइंस. तो यहाँ पे हमने नाइलॉन 6,6 प्रिपेयर किया था. उसके बाद में सो दैट इज नथिंग बट मेलामाइन फॉर्मेशंस. दिस इज द रिएक्शन बिटवीन व्हाट मेलामाइंस एंड फॉर्माल्डिहाइड, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द मेलामाइन पॉलीमर. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट मेलामाइन, दिस इज मेलामाइन formaldehyde polymer. Here we are discussing the next point. This is what bakelite and nohalec. So that is what nohalec and bakelite, nohalec and bakelite. So these are the example of condensation polymerization. These are the example of condensation polymerization. If starting reactant molecules, it is the starting reactant molecule is what phenol. This is n number of phenol. It is reacted with what n number of formaldehyde. This is nothing but CH2O. So whatever, this is the formation of, यहाँ पे हमको करना है polymerization. So this is the polymerization of such types of the two reactant molecules. Then whatever, there is a formation of what? This is OH here, and this is going to the formation of such types of the species. There is a three product is possible: ortho product, para product, and another is what there is again types of, this is the ortho, meta and para product. Here is nothing but OH, this ortho product is here, this is what ortho to each other, this is the para to each other. So these are three products is formed. Ortho, meta and para. Sorry, ortho, para. So this ortho, this one is ortho, para, and this is what ortho and para. So whenever the first step of the reaction you have been prepared such types of product, in the second step if you are having this is the 2, यहाँ पे हम लेते हैं second step में, this is what CH2OH. This is in the condition that is acidic condition H plus. I am taking this what acidic condition H plus. This is using the catalyst. So whatever, here formation of the types of the product is obtained. तो यहाँ पे product हमारा formation होता है. So this is the OH and this is nothing but what? This is the n number of the types of the product. It is not linear types of the. This is the cross linear types of the product is obtained. This is what? Cross linear types of the product is obtained. This OH at same position, and this going to the formation of CH2OH, and this is the longest chain. So this is nothing but what? Formation of these types of the product is nothing but what? Here it is nothing but nohalec polymer. So this is what nohalec types of the polymer is obtained. So this is nothing but what nohalec types of the polymer is formed. So this is what nohalec. You can take this OH. OH is here. This is what the name of the compound is nothing but what nohalec as a condensation types of the product. Suppose in the second step of the reaction, यहाँ पे हम second step के reaction में हमको करना है ये दो product molecule यहाँ से लेना है. So we can take these types and these types of the product molecules is condensed to each other. So this is the second step of the reaction. यहाँ पे हमको bakelite formation करना है. So this is the reactants. You have to prepare these types of the species is here. It is reacted with what again? These types of the species again. It is reacted with these types of the again what species is there OH. this ortho to each other, both are ortho to each other and both are each other para to each other. So ortho to each other, this is ortho para to each other. Instead of this n number of the types of the compound is here, you can take n number of products. So what happen here? Formation of this is what? This is what? This is the cross-linked polymer is formed. This is what cross-linked polymer is obtained. So this is nothing but you can say this is n number here. This is hydroxy group is here. You can take this one as a hydroxy group is also. So this is nothing but bakelite. So this is what? Bakelite. So this is one of the preparation methods, bakelite polymer. Novailec formation, Novailec polymer and bakelite formation, these are the condensation types of the polymerization here, formation of the Novailec and formation of the bakelite polymers. So this is the condensation between what? Formaldehyde and phenol. First step, polymerization, there is formation of 3 product possibility. Why? Because of this hydroxy group is a ortho para directing group. Due to the ortho para directing group, there is formation of ortho para, and this is ortho para product. Okay, if we are this is the reaction between these types of the species is here, then formation of this condensation. This again what? This condensation is takes place in acidic condition by using the catalyst. Whatever, there is formation of this cross-link types of the polymer. What is that? Cross-link types of the polymer. This cross-link types of the polymer is obtained by condensation between these 2 types of the reactant molecules, and these types of the product is formed. This is nothing but what? A bakelite formation.